I test the affiliate marketing methods that the gurus talk about online to show you which ones actually work. I share all my actual results over on my main channel. So if you're interested in complete transparency and you don't mind me acting like a child sometime, then come take a look.
He's so immature.
So I've tested lots of different things on my channel, some things that have worked really, really well and some things that haven't worked very well at all. But I am convinced there is a legit gold mine of an opportunity in the new platform Whop. So I'm gonna test it and I'm gonna post my results on my main channel. But in today's video, I wanna answer the question, what is Whop? And why are so many creators like myself so excited about it? And how can you make money with it? I'm gonna answer those questions and I'm gonna give you a complete beginner walkthrough in the platform and show you the exact steps that I'm going to take to determine whether or not this platform is worth all the hype.
Just get to it already.
So without further ado, what is a Whop? So Whop is an affiliate platform. You're probably familiar with affiliate platforms like ClickBank or Digistore or even Amazon Associates program, where you're allowed to sign up as an affiliate and you're allowed to sell Amazon's products for them. You can sell other people's products and services and get a small bit of the commission. That's affiliate marketing 101. Whop is an affiliate marketing platform that does all of that and more, and I'm gonna get to that. So here we are logged into the Whop platform itself. Now you can see if you go over here to the Discover tab, if you go to leaderboards, you can see essentially classic affiliate marketing products. So let's say I had a product or a membership that I wanted to offer to my viewers. I could set up that product on Whop and sell it through their platform. The platform handles all the customer support, the chat functions, all the different apps involved in running a membership platform, all the payment processing. I could sell my own products and services on this site. And then you as an affiliate could sign up to recommend my course or my membership to your fans. When those people sign up, I would share a portion of that commission with you. That's essentially affiliate marketing, and that's essentially what this leaderboard tab here is showing you. You can look at some of the newest offers, offers with most reviews, hottest affiliate offers. So let's say this here, this ready to start earning more as a TikTok shop affiliate. Here is a person who has a course that's $49 a month where they're going to teach you how to be a TikTok shop affiliate. So you can click on that, you can learn about it, you can join it yourself if you want, but a lot of these will allow you to then become an affiliate of that. Then you would make money as an affiliate by recommending this TikTok shop affiliate program. There's nothing revolutionary with this part of it. This is all pretty standard. It's just a really nice platform with lots of nice apps and things to make it really great. So you can be an affiliate, or you can actually create your own affiliate products in here. And now this website has an army of affiliates that are looking for products like yours. So essentially, if you have a product or service that you're trying to market out to the world, you can put that in a platform like this where there are already affiliates looking to promote services and programs like yours. So that's two of the main affiliate marketing things. But here's the thing that everybody's really talking about. Here's the thing that everybody is excited about online. Here's what makes this different, and here's why I'm completely excited about this. They also have this section in here called content rewards. Now again, when you log in, you go to the Discover tab, you go to the content rewards, and then you hit show all. Now you're gonna see a whole list, lots and lots of pages of all these content rewards. And there's also filters up here, most paid out, highest CPM, the newest ones if you wanna see what the newest ones are. So this is called content rewards, and essentially this business model is called clipping. So what in the world is clipping? Why are we so excited about that? Well, think back a couple of years ago on TikTok. There were lots of people making insane amounts of money by going and grabbing people's long form videos off of YouTube, like let's say an iShowSpeed stream or Iman Gadzhi clips or Joe Rogan podcast clip. They would take these long form pieces of content, clip them down into really short form TikTok style pieces of content, put them up on TikTok and get amazing amounts of views and make tons of money by clipping other people's stuff. They didn't have to have their own content. They didn't have to be making their own videos. They were taking what was already viral and successful, creating clips out of those and making money. The problem was a lot of the platforms weren't very happy with people taking other people's content, and the content creators themselves in a lot of cases weren't really happy with you taking their clips and using them to make money for yourself. So TikTok and YouTube Shorts, a lot of platforms really started kind of cracking down on this whole behavior, and the actual content creators themselves, the Joe Rogans, the iShowSpeeds, they started realizing that their views were going down a little bit because there wasn't an army of people sending them new customers or sending them new viewers. So this platform allows people like Iman Gadzhi to allow people like us to take his long form content, create short little clips out of them, upload those clips to social media platforms like YouTube and TikTok TikTok and Instagram, not only can we use their clips with their blessing to get massive amounts of views, but the content creators themselves now are willing to pay. It's kind of win-win. So Iman Godseed lets you take his content, lets you put it on your own social media accounts, and will pay you for every 1,000 views that gets to help promote his brand and his products. So it's kind of win-win. It's really exciting. It's a proven business model that is now made easier with a platform like Whop. So let's just look into the platform because it can be a little bit confusing. So if you are a beginner and you want to try this, here's what you're going to do. Once you log in, you go to the Discover tab. You go to the Content Rewards section. You show all. If you want to use the filters, you can do that. But what you're looking for are things like this. This is 30 cents per 1,000 views. This is $1.50 per 1,000 views. You're going to get paid on 1,000 views. Now it also shows you what platforms it's available for you to upload to. So let's say you have a YouTube channel. You would not want to pick this one because it doesn't allow you to upload onto YouTube. It only allows you to upload onto Instagram and TikTok. I am primarily here on YouTube. I make sure I find things with YouTube. So let's just do this. Let's say you like this. Insanely viral clips, 100 million views monthly, unlimited budget, faceless. You're allowed to make faceless content. So you click on that and you can learn more about it and you can join it. Now, a lot of these are completely free to join. So like this one right here, it just says join. It's free. You can join it. Some of them require money. If you're just starting out, I would just join the free ones, figure out which ones you're interested in clipping for. So let's just look at this one. I already joined this one, so you can open the Whop then once it's joined. And once you join them, if you want to find them again, they're available down here in this bar at the very bottom. It might be hard to see on this screen recording, but they'll be at the bottom down here if you want to also click on them. So now this tab is going to open over here with a main window over here. So essentially here is the navigation. You can go between home, earn, and learn in this case. And when you click on something, it will open over here in the main screen. So a lot of these different clipping opportunities will give you a learn tab, which will tell you everything you need to know in order to be successful clipping for that specific program. So make sure you go through those things, learn, understand what the requirements are. Here's the home. Some of them also have a chat function where you can chat with other people in the community. And then there's always an earn tab. When you click on the earn tab, you also get to see some of the videos that are actually working in this very program. So Boss Hog here earned $81.33 from this very specific video right here. This exact video. So you can watch that video, understand why it worked, and just copy it. So if you go through the earn tab, you're going to see sometimes lots of different people making lots of different amounts of money in their exact video, how they're doing it, so that you can kind of copy and paste. So then if you go to the earn tab, usually the very first thing here is the content rewards actual page. So if you click on that, it opens over here in the side. Now this is where you're going to understand everything about that and where you're going to get the assets in order to make your clips. So make sure you read this and really understand it. So this is where you're going to submit your content once you make it. Here's where it's allowed. Here's what the max payout is. So even if you had 1 million views, you wouldn't make millions of dollars. The max payout is $1,000 for a specific video. So make sure you pay attention to these things and the requirements. Make sure you pay attention to these, because if you make a 9-second video, you will not get paid. If you don't put the link in the bio to the Discord, you will not get paid. If you don't join their affiliate server in this case, and most of these programs don't make you do anything like that, but in this case it does. If you don't join that, you're not going to get paid. Make sure you understand what the requirements are to make sure you're going to get paid. And this also, make sure that the paid out isn't filled up, because if there's no more budget left in that campaign, you're not going to get paid. Make sure there's a budget left, make sure that the requirements are reasonable for you, and a lot of times the assets are available right here in this page also. So in this example, we'll click on it and there is an entire Google Drive full of folders and videos that you can use in your clips. So you can download all these clips and use them to make your clips. And then you simply upload it. So what you're going to do usually is you post it on social media, and within 1 hour, that's important, before an hour is up, you post it on social media and immediately you provide the link right here to that post. Let's say it was on YouTube, then you put a YouTube Shorts link right in there. Then you upload the actual video itself. And a lot of times, let's say it's on YouTube, you will be asked to put a number in the description of your YouTube channel, which will prove to Whop that it's actually your YouTube channel and you actually own it. So there's sometimes little things that you have to do like that to verify your account, but they're very, very simple, and this platform completely talks you through it. Then you will have your submission will be right here. You'll be able to click on it and you'll be able to see the amounts of views and the amounts of money that it's earning. And I know what you're thinking, but Adam, I'm not that great at video editing. I'm not the world's best editor. Can I still do this? Well, yeah, there's actually AI programs that pretty much do this for you, even if you don't know how to do any sort of video editing. So here are some examples. This is Submagic. Now you definitely have to sign up for an account. I know you can try this for free, but it'll have a watermark on it, and a lot of the Whops won't let you submit content with watermarks, so be careful of that. But with something here like Submagic, you simply can upload or put a link to a full-length video, and it will go through and it will find the most viral parts of that video, clip them for you, put it into a 9:16, the kind of vertical TikTok, YouTube short size, and it will give you all the content with the captions, and all you have to do is download it and upload to your social media account and then submit it in the Whop. Opus Clip is another example of that. Again, you just drop in a video link and it will turn it into viral clips for you automatically, does everything. You don't even have to know how to edit. So a lot of these, for example, will give full clips like this one does, where you can download them and then upload them into Submagic or upload them into Opus Clips. And then sometimes they will have something more along the lines of a link to their YouTube channel. So this company wants you to take clips from their actual YouTube channel. So in that case, you would just open up their YouTube channel, you would copy the link of one of their videos, and then you would drop that link into either Submagic or into Opus Clip in order to turn it into viral content. So that's just kind of a beginner tutorial of what Whop is, why I'm excited about it, and what I'm going to do, why I'm going to test this. And this used to be a full business model, clipping in general, where you would reach out to a YouTuber. Let's say you wanted to work with me. You could reach out to me and ask me to do clipping for my channel. So I have hundreds of videos on my channel, all long form content. Some of them are 5, 10, 15 minutes long. If you were to reach out to me and say, I want to create a YouTube Shorts channel where I'm just clipping the most viral parts of your content, you get to keep all the money that those clips make on your channel. I don't give you copyright claims because I know you're doing it and I've given you my blessing. And then all of those clips are going to point back to my long form content. So if some of your clips go viral, it just helps my channel grow. So it's kind of win-win. Well, that was a business model that required you to have lots of editing knowledge and to be able to reach out and convince YouTubers to let you use their clips and let you do clipping for them. This program or this platform, Whop, is essentially a place where this is just being done already. You don't have to reach out to the content creators themselves. The content creators themselves are putting up the Whops and allowing people like you and me to clip their content and to make money from it. So I hope this gave you a brief introduction of why I'm excited about Whop and what it is and what I'm going to be doing. And if you like this sort of content, please do all those things you're supposed to do to help the channel grow. And I'll see you in the next video.
I doubt that.